Well, it's finally happening. It is currently 9:59 and these things are going off today. So it's my first time ever recording one. So it'll be pretty cool. Hopefully I'm not deaf at the end of this. This is a T128, I think. And you know, I don't really focus on this tornado siren stuff. There you go. So loud. Done? We good now? Alright. That was way louder than I thought it was gonna be. You can still hear some in the distance. I wonder if they're gonna do the attack sound. Because if they do, that's gonna hurt. 102, please. Are we good? I don't know if anything's happening. I think that's it. Okay. Well, this came out to a 3-minute video. I thought it was going to be longer, but